Welcome back to the official 3uTools channel. I'm your friend 3uTools, here to solve your data transfer headaches. Ever hesitated to switch phones because moving files between different systems feels like a nightmare? If you're an iOS to iOS pro, thanks to our past tutorials, today we're leveling up. Let's tackle Android to iOS transfers step by step using 3uTools. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Once detected, open 3uTools and head to Toolbox, Transfer Data. You'll see two options. Pick iOS if transferring between iPhones. Don't forget two cables. Now, the main event, Android to iPhone. Select Android, a QR code will pop up. Open your Android's browser, scan the code, and ignore any security warnings. We're safe, promise. Download the 3uTools Android app and allow permissions. Alright, now back on your PC, click I have downloaded and scan the second QR code with your Android app. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Otherwise, the transfer fails. Once connected, choose Data to transfer, photos, music, contacts, smooth sailing. SMS call logs, exported as PDF due to system limits. Apps or chat history, some may fail or lose data. Backup manually if the app allows. For apps, you'll need to bind to your Apple ID. After that, hit transfer. Results? Work flawlessly, but remember, this is a beta feature. Found a bug? Comment below. We're counting on your feedback to improve. That's it for today. Like this video? Subscribe for more 3uTools magic. Until next time, a happy transferring.